guys, welcome or welcome back. If it's your first time stopping in, my name is Jeannie. I'm really glad that you're here. If you're returning, hey girl, hey. So first, let me just say the lighting on this video is definitely off. I use like a double ring light situation. I film in my basement. I've got this like little beauty cubby down here. And I have a double ring light kind of situation, and one of my ring lights is not working. I'm really bummed out about it because it's the one that sits on my desk and I use it to do my makeup, but that's neither here nor there. So I only have one working right now, and like I said, again, I'm filming in my basement, so it's dark. There's no natural light coming in. It's the middle of the night anyways, but point is I'm sorry about the lighting for this video. It is what it is, but I wanted to make sure to get on tonight. I'm actually just home from work, and I ended up receiving in the mail today my creator package from Ipsy for the month of March. Now, last month was February. It was well, it's still February, but for Ipsy, last month was February, and it was an icon box month. And I thought that both my creator package and my paid for packages were superb. I was really, really happy with February. So here's to hoping that March is looking good. I of course wanted to just jump on and get this. There's other videos that I mentioned in my last video that are still yet to come. And they still are, but I wanted to do this one first because I know we're still pretty far away from Choice. Like Choice is, I think, is it like the 1st through the 3rd or something like that? And so I wanted to make sure to get on so that you guys can hopefully make better decisions for your boxes on Choice by seeing the products kind of more up close and that kind of thing. So I wanted to make sure to do that for you guys. If you are new here, I would love it if you do like this content. Please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to engage down below in the comments with me. I always respond to all of my comments, and hit the follow button on your way out. I would be thrilled. All right, guys, let's jump in. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a monthly beauty subscription. There is a regular OG Glam Bag. This is $14.99. You're gonna get 5 products, most of which are gonna be deluxe size sample products. You get to choose one. In the creator package, this is sent over free for review, so I do not get to make any choices in what I'm going to show today, but I do get to choose for my own paid for editions that come later in the month. But when you are paying for it within the Glam Bag, you get to choose one item, and there are full-size products that you do end up getting in this bag as well, but mostly deluxe size samples. And then we have the Boxy by Ipsy. This is the old BoxyCharm, now Boxy by Ipsy, and this is where you get 5 full-size products, and you get to choose 3 out of the 5 in your paid for editions. And then there's also the quarterly icon box. Obviously, we had that for February, so we don't have it for March. But let's go ahead and jump in and see what we got. So it looks like the theme for March is rewrite the rules. Now with the Glam Bag, we got the little bags, which are cute. I love getting the bags. This is what it looks like for March. Excuse my hand here. My cat got me really good, and I've got dry skin. I know it looks crazy. So I love the zipper. I don't know how I feel about the design. This one's kind of just like, it's okay. I don't love it or hate it. And then it does have a blue lined kind of satin liner on the inside. All right, let's jump into the products. First up, from Gloss Modern, we got Clean Luxury Radiant Polish. It says for hands and body. So it looks like it is a hand and body cream. Trying to see if I can pick up any scent on here. Maybe we'll check out the texture. My hands are very dry. Work in the restaurant industry. I have kids, constantly washing my hands, constantly having my hands in water. And I live in Michigan, so my hands are very dry. Okay, so as you can see, this lighting is horrible. It's definitely a very thick texture, a very balmy texture, and it does not I am not registering a scent. It almost just kind of smells like ingredients. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's an exfoliant. Oh no, I thought it was gonna be a hand cream. Oh my gosh, polish. Hello, Jeannie. Well, it's been a long day. So, am I sure this is for my hands? It's so dark and now I don't have my other light. Yeah, it says hand and body. So this is a hand and body exfoliant. Let me grab a towel to try and wipe this off. I obviously thought it was going to be a hand cream, but that's actually really cool. I need to exfoliate these crusty, dusty hands. All right, so now that I've moved it around, I definitely can smell it. It smells clean, fresh, nothing overpowering, and I think it smells good. So, okay, moving along. Still have it all over my fingers. Ah. Okay, from Ofra Cosmetics, we got a lip gloss in the shade Blissful. And this is definitely, I'm assuming, a sample size. Let's give it a little swatch. Ooh, okay. So it looks like it's like a metallic shade. Definitely in the nude family, like a brown nude. As long as I don't have chapped lips going on, this could definitely work. I do worry that if my lips were chapped, no, maybe it's not metallic. Maybe that's just the shine. What do you guys think? I feel like it does have a little bit of metallic finish to it. Now, believe it or not, I don't think I've ever tried Ofra's lip gloss. So I'm definitely interested to see what the formula is like. If you guys know, if you guys have tried it, let me know down below. Next, from Dazzle Me, we got the Get a Grip setting spray. I love the packaging on that. I love the colors. I always love super cute things like sitting about in my areas, and I'm a huge sucker for pretty colors on packaging, so I do like that. Not a huge setting spray gal, but that's okay. Next up, we got this little guy, and this is, it says just 2 weeks you will have remarkable results, and it is a soothing repair toning serum. Okay, again, the little packaging on that is cute. Who is this from? This is from Dermafirm. I don't know if I've tried anything from that brand, but I do love testing out new skincare products, so I'm cool with that. And then last but not least, it looks like we got a mini little palette of some sort. Okay, so this is by Shades by Shen, which is a brand that we do see in Ipsy quite often. And that is the little palette. Oops, let's get her open. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. I literally cannot get this open. What in the world? Okay, you guys, I cannot get this open right now. We'll come back to it, but I don't want to hold you up on that. I promise we will come back to it. I really want to see the colors in here. Why can I not get this open? I'm opening it on the right side. I can't get it open. Okay, we're gonna move along. We're gonna move into the Boxy by Ipsy. This is the full-size product box, and I want to say it's about $30. There's a shipping and handling fee and that kind of thing as well. This month it did come with a little pamphlet, and it says rewrite the rules. It's telling about the mega drop shop, some mystery bags. It has a QR code if you care for that. And then if you open it up, it's got some of the products that are going to be in the different variations for merch. All right, let's see what we got. First up, this is from Galactic. I've tried a few things from them before. From BoxyCharm and Ipsy, there was a lip gloss. I think I still have one somewhere because I ended up stocking up on them in one of like the drop shop things. But it actually has little rose petals in it. And if you don't like the smell of rose or like, you know, wild rose theme kind of thing, probably not for you, but I absolutely loved it. I kind of forgot about it until just now, but that's one of the products that comes to mind when I think about this brand. And this time we got a Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. Pretty pink packaging. Ooh, look at the color on that. Ooh, just got it on my nose. Smells fruity, hence the Superfruit. So that's always, I'm always down for a nice sugar exfoliant or exfoliant for the skin, period. Now, next from Anastasia Beverly Hills, it looks like we got the Lash Sculpt mascara. Now, I do remember receiving this product recently, but I think that it was the deluxe size sample. Let's see if I have it right here, because I'm curious. Yes, I do. It's right here. When I got this, I got it in the Glam Bag, and I thought that it was full size. I mean, that's pretty big for a deluxe size sample in terms of mascara, but if you compare the two, yeah, I mean, it's pretty close, but this is the full size. I do like this mascara. So cool. We've got a Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. Next up from Defiance Beauty, we got a liquid eyeliner. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so the packaging on this is unique. As you can see, it's kind of like squared off. I actually like that. It makes it feel like I would be able to be more precise with my hand with it. So that is the tip. So it is definitely a felt tip liner. I don't use a ton of liquid liners, but I like to have them because I do use them on occasion. Now, next up, we got a brush set. I always love getting new brushes, and these look like they are super cute. I'm excited to open it up and take a look. So I think these are from the Miss Glam. Look at these. I think we got some from them recently that maybe were pink, but these are green. And then if you look at the handles, they have little green studs. That is super cute. This is the type of brush that I would use for setting under my eyes very lightly or even doing some highlight. And then we've got another brush that looks like that. I'd probably use that for blush. And then we've got kind of like a smaller, in comparison to a lot of other ones, if like here is like an angled, and I just dropped it. We're doing great. But it's definitely like smaller than some of the angled brushes, but you could definitely still use it to contour. I think it would be a bit big for concealer in my opinion, but definitely could use it for contour, and they do feel really nice. And again, they're just super cute. So love that. I do love getting brushes. And then last but not least, ooh, we got a palette from Wander Beauty. I actually really do like their eyeshadow palettes. I have one that I got from BoxyCharm or Ipsy in the past that is really pretty. And in fact, I think I have two. But this is the Trailblazer palette. It does come with a mirror and a shadow saver. And oh my gosh, that is pretty. So that is the color story. This green gold color is definitely talking to me. I can't wait to use that. Their shimmers are really, really pretty, and their mattes perform really, really nice. So I do like their formula. If this is the same formula as the rest of their palettes, it is definitely a good quality eyeshadow palette in my opinion. And the colors look beautiful. They look everyday wearable. You can definitely pull off some darker smoky looks too with the darker brown. Yes, I really can't wait to get into that. I don't know how well my camera is picking it up, especially with the one light situation right now, but depending on how that shifts in the light, it's gold and then green as well. Really, really pretty. So love that. yeah, so that is all of the things we got in, or that I got in my creator package for the month of March. We got the eyeshadow palette, we got the 3-piece brush set, we got the face scrub, and then we got the eyeliner and mascara for the Boxy by Ipsy. I'm not mad at it. I think that's a decent box. I want to try again to see if I can open this. I cannot believe I can't open this. Ah, I got it. I got it. Okay, so this is the little quad by Shades by Shen. Very neutral, very everyday wearable tones for me. Those are big eyeshadow. Those are like regular size eyeshadow pans. Sometimes when you got the little quads, they're like little mini pans of the shadow. Those are definitely full size pans, and they look pretty. This is definitely something that I would travel with if we're going, you know, camping, or, you know, going on a trip somewhere, because it is a safe, a space saver, but yet you can create, you know, a really pretty smoky eye, or a really pretty everyday, you know, daytime look with that as well. So I do like getting those. I know that I have tried eyeshadow from this brand, Shades by Shen. I can't remember off the top of my head what I think about them, but I do know that it's nothing that I used and I was like, wow, that sucks. I would never use that again. So it must fall somewhere in the line of being decent, I would imagine. Otherwise, I would remember. But yeah, and then we got the hand scrub. We got the setting spray. We got the toner, the soothing serum toner. And we got the Ofra lip gloss. So all in all, not bad. I wouldn't say this is like my favorite creator package that I've ever gotten, that's for sure. You know, February was a hard month to follow because it was really, really good. And in my opinion, in my experience with these subscription boxes over the years, whenever you have like a really, really, really solid month, the next month, not that it's a bad month by any means, but it just doesn't seem to stack up to the month before. And that's because some of the products from the month before were just so good and so exciting that it's hard to, you know, it's hard to beat that. So, but not bad at all. Definitely let me know down below if there's anything that has caught your attention for this month. I definitely will be choosing my own products when it comes to my paid for box along with all of you. So I hope this gives you an idea, and when you see those things on choice day, that this video will help you make a more educated choice to build your box. And I hope that you all have a fabulous weekend. Tomorrow is Friday. By the time this goes up, it probably will be Friday. So I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and I will see you very soon in my next one.